We are out on our first real adventure. We've got another 31 minutes to walk. Super fucking hot. Guess the temperature. You got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's 32 degrees at 2:30 in the afternoon. No food for pretty much 48 hours and we're in the heat. Most probably not the smartest, but there are 2 bananas in my bag. So as soon as time comes, I'm gonna munch them. So yeah, there seems to be a lot of little shops around, very minimalistic, which is nice. That would have been me at one point, in my own garage, building custom motorbikes, race cars, but unfortunately that never happened. And I've decided to take another route. Do I miss that? I do a little bit, to be honest, but it is what it is. And really, yeah, we won't be going back there, put it that way. Nice. Thank you. Nice. Nearly got ran over again. What was I saying? I'm gonna get South run over here. So Vietnam's, if I'm not mistaken, is like the best for fakes. If you want like the A-star, A-rated fakes, Vietnam's the best option. But Nha Trang isn't where it is. There's other parts of Vietnam where you got the fucking, like the realistic Rolexes and stuff. Most probably can find some like fakes here, but there's other locations which are like where the real good stuff is. Thailand as such, but most of the stuff in Thailand, if I'm not mistaken, comes from Vietnam. So if you don't know that, it's something you do now. I don't know if you've got to wait or you just walk and just dodge everything. Just hope you don't get ran over. Going again. Good stuff. You've made it. Question is, do they have a hot plate? We're officially done our first fast. So, we're gonna have a cooker thing down there. I'm gonna eat the first banana. Just before I end up getting a load of shopping I can't pay on card, we find an ATM. So, currently I have no idea which one's the best one. I haven't got my card. My card's in England, so I have to pay transaction fees every fucking time. So if you are away, or if you before you come away, make sure you get yourself a Curve card, and you don't have to pay for transaction fees. Curve card. Make sure you get it. It'll fucking save you a shit ton of money. Fuck knows, just click it. Might be worth me doing it again just so we got extra cash. I'll do some research on all this kind of stuff, to be fair. Some funky looking things. No? Did I potentially just get scammed £100? I'm sure that one. Let me try this one. I don't really want to get another out in it to scam me again. May have officially been scammed. Already knew my name as soon as I put the code in. Before I put my password in, it already told me my name. 3,000. We could take more out of this one. We'll take 5,000 out, 5 million out. Don't have to worry about doing bloody bank runs and stuff then. So I can't. I believe I've already taken too much stuff out. That's shit. So I'm capped at £100 a day. Crazy. And need myself a Vietnamese hat as well. It's on there now. What do you go that way, yeah? I know a sport better. Ah, you mean put this in my locker? Ah, nice, nice. Got it. You can't take our bags in there. I won't be able to record here because I'm going to have to use my phone to make sure I've got enough money for the things we buy. So this is what Big C looks like. I'll get myself some food just because I need some food. £2.10. I've only got spoons, so I have to eat it like an animal. But it feels good to eat. I feel like I'm camping. Oh, I'm full. Let's continue our shopping and see you later. So we are on the second layer, which is, I don't know how many layers there are. Fair. We have got cheese, some peppers, some bread and some pumpkin seeds. We need some oats, need protein powder, creatine powder, some other supplements, and then we need to find a cooker, because without a cooker there's no point in buying chicken stuff. After looking around trying to translate everything, I'm nearly done. You may think I'm fucking mad, which most people know I am mad, but this is the cooker I'm buying. I think this is less than 20 quid. From my little bit of research, that it doesn't make a noise, perfect. Pan, some kitchen equipment, I'm going to be cooking in the bathroom. Cooking in the bathroom, oi oi! Well, it definitely isn't in the film bag. I'm gonna have to sneak it up so she doesn't see me carrying a cooker upstairs. Well, in the lift. Get some protein, get picked up from a protein shop, back to a place, unpack everything, see what I've got, and then do another run for eggs around the corner because we need water, and I'm going to carry water all the way back when we go around the corner. I've taken a picture of the eggs and I can double check how much price is. Yeah, and make sure I've got enough money to pay for this as well. Wait. We haven't made it out. Rucksack's full. I was about to get a cooker without anybody seeing it. And then we've got a 15-minute walk to the protein shop and hopefully get a lift from there. It is raining. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much until we get there. We are here. Yeah. 24 grams, 24.
We can give you a second.
Ah, yeah, perfect. Back up to the first shop we went to the other day. Just got some more supplies, some water. Fuck, I should have got some eggs. Fuck, I've got to go back in there, get some eggs. We've got like 3 bags full. I don't know how much I've spent. Definitely where I need to pick me up. Shattered and hot. Legs are killing. We've done about 12 or 13,000 steps now. Which isn't too bad. Now, this is what we got. 5.3 mil, if I'm not mistaken. So you got the cooker. I think that cost about £14. Buying a cooker and some kitchen stuff maybe comes to about 30-40 quid. It saved us paying like £150 extra for a room with a cooker in. So it's just saved £150 right there. I know what you're saying, you clever motherfucker. I know, I get it a lot, but it's fine. A load of water we just got. Got some wipes, some kitchen stuff, some seasoning, some oats, pumpkin seeds, chopping tray, some cheeses for the eggs. Expensive thing on here was this. This itself was about 100 quid. That was £100, believe it or not. So that's pretty much that little section there was pretty much counted for that, which is crazy. But that should last me for 2.5 months. And you need stuff for like your brain, like some omega-3. So 167 quid. Oh, the toast is cooking. Jeez, I'd have to show you this first. So the new kitchen in a non-kitchen apartment. Currently doing some eggs with cheese and toast without a toaster. So we're going to be boiling eggs in here, we're going to be boiling rice in here, we'll be cooking our toast. Oh, fuck, man, that's not good. What the fire alarm will be going off next? Ah, no way. Drop the fuck it, man. Fuck it, we'll still use it. Fuck it. Kills me, it kills me. The idea is working, it's not smoking, low heat, perfect. Obviously, if I actually kept an eye on it, it would be a lot better. First attempt, a success. Obviously, could have cooked a bit better, but we got toast, cheese. Ah, oh, that's ham. That was what was on my list. Wow. Next time, the trade is going off without me. I jumped in where the green line is. Price come down, close between all the EMAs. That means with price below it, there's going to be resistance above it. Price goes with path of least resistance, but on 5 minute it doesn't take much money to push price up. The difference between, was it like 105,000, not like when it's on the 4 hour one day where it takes a lot of money to push. So that's gone about me, which is fine. So you can live super cheap, ridiculously cheap. That's such a sick hack. I love it. I'm gonna start using chopsticks soon though. Because all I ever see is people eating over here, they've either got a spoon or chopsticks. Hopefully, if we can get our food down to like £2 or £3, that'd be insane. We have a banana as a treat and a protein shake for a treat with milk.